Well, big things are coming. It's going to be awesome. I am going to be getting out of this one car garage with almost no space. I have severely outgrown it. Going to be moving into this space right here, right by me. Got myself a trailer to help not only move, eventually this is going to become traveling work area. Man, I'm going to have to edit the hell out of this. It's going to be awesome when I need to do jobs at home, or other people's homes, I should say. Whew, a little winded. Been moving around, moving stuff all day long. Yeah, I've outgrown this space. It is time to get out of here. This has been not only my wood shop, but also storage for decor, all my wood, tools, everything. It's time to get out of here. Looking forward to it. But this is it. Moving into this new space. It's gonna be awesome. It's a 30 by 30 shop. Right now I just got a bunch of stuff in here from moving all my lumber and wood. More of my tools coming in. Got a wood stove right here to keep me warm in the winter time. It's got bird's nest up in the smokestack, so I'm gonna have to clear that out. And then, I don't know if you can hear, but there's a bird's nest up inside here somewhere, up on the roof. It's got that hole right here that I need to fix. Need some insulation there on the roof. It's got some stuff that needs to be done in here, but 30 by 30 shop. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna become a nice wood shop once it's all said and done. Man, I'm tired. It's a lot warmer out here today than it has been. Best part of this whole place, besides just the nice and quiet, out here in the country, literally surrounded by empty cornfields and forest. I'll probably have to get a clip of them when they come by, but there's a bunch of Amish out here, so they come by with their horse and buggies. So whenever that happens, I'll grab a quick clip so you guys can see too. It's quite awesome. Here's the front of the home, the yard, front yard. It sits on an acre. Got plenty of space. Neighbors over here on this side. Fucking dog. A lot of little projects I'm gonna be doing around here. So this channel is gonna get quite a lot of different things done. Man, I'm gonna have to edit the hell out of this. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited. It's gonna be a fun time. Lots of projects to do. Lots of things I'm gonna do here in this wood shop. I got a couple ideas, two specifically, of some things that I have yet to see on YouTube, made by woodworkers. Gonna be pretty cool. One's gonna be a miter saw station, which I know you're saying, hey, there's lots of videos of miter saw stations out there. Well, how's yours gonna be different? Trust me, it's gonna be different. And a spline jig. Yes, a spline jig. Lots of spline jigs out there, but this one is different, and I've yet to see anybody have anything like it on YouTube. So stay tuned. I don't know how long it's gonna be till I make those videos, but yeah, I'll eventually make them.